Having an online presence is no longer a strategy. It's a necessity. To stay ahead of the curve, companies need to invest in SEO, PPC, SMO, SMM, UI and UX, web development and content marketing. Sounds confusing? It doesn't have to be. At Windsor Digital, we cut through the acronyms and buzzwords and get results. We deliver thoughtfully crafted, meaningful digital strategies to grow your online presence and generate more leads. Windsor Digital is an enthusiastic and creative digital marketing company. No one knows your business like you do, which is why we won't sell you a packaged boilerplate digital strategy. We develop one based on your unique needs and strengths. Digital media is more interactive, faster to launch, and more direct than traditional print media. It is also more cost-effective. We make your brand as visible as possible on all leading search engines, social media platforms. We ensure your website and apps are user-friendly, beautifully designed, and full of engaging content. Finally, we script and shoot corporate videos for your company that can be used across online platforms. Digital marketing is much like building an online shop window. It is our job to make sure that window is as clean, as well designed, and as well placed as humanly possible. And that's exactly what we'll do. Like